Okay.
No, I want to tell you what is happening.
Uzomkhoshina mase ngiyamphendula.
Yeah. When I'm Okay guys, just take somebody else, call somebody else close to you. Can you please take somebody else? I can see we are already 15, 24. Can you take somebody else? Can you take somebody else, guys? We are now 25, 35, 48. The numbers are going up 60. Right, guys, can you take somebody else? Can you please take somebody else? I've got a surprise for you. You got to learn a lesson from this, guys. We've got youth here, ghetto youth. We've got ghetto youth 89, 106. We've got ghetto youth. They are going to share with you guys the first-hand experience, first-hand information. And this is what happens. No, don't worry. You be okay. All right. Okay, I think I have 4 of them here. 155. All right, just take somebody else, guys. Just take somebody else. Eddie, hello, ghetto youth. Yes, these are ghetto youth. As you can see, the one in front of me who is on camera. I think I've got 5 of them. I'm sorry, guys. Shona speaking people today, you're unfortunate because these guys, they do speak another language. So I'm gonna ask them in isiZulu, ne? Because you say I am in Kwamashu. Is it Mashu? Kwamashu Kingdom Church in Durban. It's a queen is Yabuyala. So all the Ndebele speaking people, all the Ndebele people speaking people, today is a lucky day. You guys always complain, why am I not doing shows in Ndebele and things like that. But you guys, I hope you are going to understand. You are going to get what they are saying, right? Guys, can you please take somebody else and share the video? Can you share the video and call others? Share the video. We are already 200 Uzalo. That's easy. Oh, really? Already? Ayanda is single and open and single. Open for business. He's open for business. Anzi lo uti etabudi. No, Tampu, I go everywhere. I get to experience the life around, and most of all, I'm here for business. So, guys, as somebody who associates with people, I said, why not? Let me just, talk to ghetto youth, and and we talk a lot of things, and things like that. So, guys, yeah, let's get our numbers to 300 at least, because I know you were not expecting me. You were expecting the youth diary. But anyway, it's me, guys. Can you please take others, share the video? We are now 206. Let's get to 300 or 350 and then we can start. Just take others, guys. Hey, Cynthia School, I can see you are happy today because I've got your little brother here who's speaking the same language as yours. I can see. Oh, okay. This one is saying she's here in Kwamashu.
Yeah.
Perpetual Tarisa Masqua, but no, she's Zimbabwean. Where actually Perpetual? Send me your location. I'll come there.
That we are in L. This is L section.
L section. I'm close to Kwamashu Kingdom Church. I'm close to Kwamashu Kingdom Church. L section. So if you are in Kwamashu, just send me a location on my WhatsApp number and I'll holler you. Right, guys? So, guys, let's get to 250, 300. He's a Jabula. Yes, Ujabulile, I can see you. Can you please take a Lily Kankos? Lily Kankos, your young sister, please take it. All the Ndebele speaking people, please call them. It's their show. All the Ndebele speaking people, call them. Those who are also speaking Zulu. Zulu and Ndebele is more the same. Yes, I'm there, Guzalo. Oh, lo uthi linjani guys? Uyakubulisa ne? Uyakubulisa. Usisi lo, usisi. Okay, this one is from Australia. She's saying, how are you? She's greeting you from Australia.
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything.
Yeah, bafikile, nobuhle uthi sikhona sisi. Bayafika. We are here in Ndebele speaking. Anymore even ngicela ukuthi ubhale ngeNdebele ngibone nje ukuthi umZulu or uNdebele ungantshela ukuthi sowufikile ubhala ngesikhuwa. Ninjani bafowethu? Usibanda Thandi.
Siyaphila. We are all cool. You see, right? Bethu ukuthi yazini. Sekrende ngempilo yethu ngala mafisa ku-vibe.
Lapha location
Ekasi.
And
London.
We're just smoking if we want to. We're just doing drugs. It's some kind of them. It's called Zanes if you wanna know. And some kind of them it's lean if you wanna know. And some kind of them they call Mendres. Yeah.
Okay. Asicale. Okay. How old are you? How old are you?
I don't do Mendres, but.
Okay, how old are you? You are 19. Uqale nini ukubhema wena?
Maybe it was 2010.
2010.
It was 2010, my dad.
2014.
2014. How old were you 2014?
I don't remember. Because I smoke a lot.
You smoke a lot, so you can't remember.
Yeah.
When 2014, how old you were? So uqale kanjani ukubhema? How did you start smoking?
I was used to chill with my guys, do the staff riding thing. I hope they know about staff riding. Like a sort of surfing. Get on top of the train, use on baby, relaxed.
On top of the train?
Yeah.
Doing what on top of the train?
Yeah, if you want some kind of videos, I can show you. But
let's see. Well, let's see the drug that you.
I don't have it right in my pocket.
Okay, the video.
Yeah, the videos of mine.
Okay, so that's when you started smoking. 2010, when you were doing that train, what?
Yes.
So
staff riding.
So what are you smoking when? What are you smoking?
I'm smoking weed.
Weed?
Yeah.
Only weed? You taking weed only?
Cigarette, weed, popping Zane.
Zane, what is Zane?
Zane is just a small pill that you take. It's like what? This cut is this pill like is small, like it's just like they call it nigga. We call it nigga. It's codeine. In fact, it's codeine.
It's a pill.
Yeah.
You have it? Do you have it?
No, we don't have it.
We don't have it in our pocket.
Wait, so where are you buying that Zeg from?
We can get it right now.
Where? Just go and take it. How much is it?
It's good.
Oh, it's cheap. Give him 5 rand. Let's go and see how they do it. So you smoke weed and you smoke Zen.
I don't smoke Zen. We pop it.
Oh, you pop it.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to see how you do it. And so, where are your parents? Okay. Meanwhile, just go and buy while I'm talking to him.
Okay. How many Zen?
How many are doing that? We want to see, and you are going to tell us why you are smoking that Zen and how do you feel after smoking, and what are your parents, saying about you smoking Zen or whatever.
My mom don't know any shit about this.
Your mom doesn't know.
Yeah.
So when you get home and you are high, what is the energy and what not? What would she be saying?
About him? Oh, she used to say, "Why did you smoke today?" As usually, I used to smoke weed.
So we are vele ukuthi uyabhema isango.
Yes.
And akanankinga vele nakho.
Yeah, she knows.
Uqedile ugrade 12.
Yeah, last year.
So when uma ubhemile ibadi yini le into le ikhuluma ngayo iweed or what ufila kanjani?
I feel active, like if I want to do something, I do it right now,
because
I get the energy. I don't know why.
Do you know why?
No, they're not going to eat it here. We just want to see the kind of drug. We want to see those drugs so that in case you guys, maybe your kids, no, you don't have to. We are not going to give you so that you smoke. No, we just want to see that thing so that maybe in case we have parents here and the kids are having those kind of pills and they are being lied to. Ukuti, this pill maybe is for what and what, they will definitely know it's a drug. You know, yes, they'll definitely know that it's a drug.
The problem is that we don't have them now. We need to buy them first.
No, you just buy one. We just want to see how it is. Just one. No, we are not going to allow them to take drugs because we are not here to promote them to take drugs. So I'm not gonna ever allow them. We just want to see how it is in case we have parents who can
from other people.
Yes. So you said when I'm out at you feel hyperactive.
I feel active, yeah.
And then why you not taking Dragon or any energy drink? Why drugs?
Because like
energy drinks. Fuck that. We need to put
like energy drink. We need to put Zenies on
so
there,
that you can sleep like you. It's
like codeine. It's like codeine and stuff.
Codeine. It's a codeine. It's a lean, but it's a pill. Zen.
I think everybody knows codeine.
Okay. So, what did you finish grade 12?
Yeah, we both did finish grade 12.
Oh yes.
So because they have started already smoking this Insango and this Zen pill, what is going to be? Where do you see yourselves in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years?
About me. Let me tell you first. I wanna be a pimp.
A pimp?
Yeah.
A pimp?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because some girls used to come and chill with me because they want to pill and just to give me some sex. So I can be a pimp, sell pussy and sell this shit.
So you are going to sell those things?
Yeah, because
but can you not see the dangers of smoking these kind of things?
Yeah.
Are they no dangers? Are they no dangers in smoking these things?
Yes, we do. If you eat a lot of drugs, obviously you're gonna overdose and die. So you are saying you want to be a drug lord, right? Yes. You want to supply these other things to other kids, right? And then it so happens by mistake that you are supplying this to your brother's son or your brother's whatever or your relative, and then he or she overdoses and then dies. How are you going to feel about that? Wait, in Guamashu, a lot of people used to sell that, and they can say that I didn't do it. I didn't sell this kid a drug, and it wasn't me. Where did he get it? And I said, I don't know. And they know. We never snitch. Because if we snitch, we gotta get a stage. We're gonna smoke you.
Because you finished matric, why can you not look for a proper job?
Yes, we go. All the fucking time.
We don't get
a job.
We don't get any job.
Have you tried?
Like million times.
But if you get a job, will you be able to leave all this drug weeds the end?
Nah. Me, not talking about my side.
I won't live with you. I love weed.
I won't.
It's Mary Jane. Oh.
Are you also drinking?
No, I'm not drinking.
And you?
Me, I drink, but not most of the time. When I'm celebrating something,
like Happy New Year, or Christmas,
something
16
like
July.
On special occasions. Do you go to church?
Church.
Oh yes, I do.
Which church is that?
Which church is that? Zion.
Zion. So are they allowing all these things, or do they know that you are taking that whatever all these things?
There's something. In our church, there's something you won't understand. There's something like traditional shit.
Traditional. Do you know how a traditional doctor used to help people? Like a medium. And I'm a medium.
You're a medium as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I can say that you could say I'm a Sangoma.
All right.
If my people that I live with inside me, they wanna smoke weed, they give me so I can smoke. It's not me. It's the people that I live with inside me.
Okay, when you're a Sangoma, the people living inside you can tell you to smoke weed. What about you? Are you also a Sangoma?
Me, no, I'm not a Sangoma. I just smoke weed because I was influenced by other people.
You were influenced by other people to smoke?
Yeah.
How so?
I'm talking the first, yeah. I was influenced by other people, but then when I got older, I saw that the shit is not me. But I can manage myself by doing it. Like I said, that's when I'm taking drugs, I can help and shit. Like when I
being active.
like if you want me to do something, like let me take my drugs first, and then we're gonna see what I'm gonna do with that shit. Like I'm gonna do like a.
Okay, so you guys, you are friends, right?
Yeah,
you are friends, all of you. So among the 5 of you, who started smoking this weed or this pill or whatever? Who was the first one? Oh, this is weed.
This is weed.
Okay, okay. Oh, this is weed.
Yeah.
So where are you buying it?
We can't tell you. Destination.
You can't tell us our destination.
Destination.
We're gonna get
You can't tell us your destination where you are getting it.
Yeah, destination. That's against the gangster law. Gangster law. The streets law.
Okay,
Yeah.
against the streets law.
yeah.
But this what you are doing, telling other people. Okay, can you advise other youth that are watching you right now that drugs are good?
Okay.
Can you say that?
No.
Can you be honest with me, guys? Tell me,
Okay,
Eh.
for myself,
eh,
I can tell them how much drugs they have paid.
I have paid.
Told it right.
I'm a drugs I have paid.
Yes, but kodwa, if you wanna feel free and have good time, if you have a good time with your friends, they use drugs, even kids, even in college, even in universities, because why some of girls used to sell. I don't want to say.
But you cannot do something because somebody's doing it. You can't do something because somebody's doing it.
It's your own choice.
It's your own choice, right? All right. Let's talk about your own experience, right? Do you have a time whereby you do regret sometimes to say, why am I smoking this? Why am I doing this? I just want to be like to live a normal life without.
Let me tell you, we live in Wamashu. In grade 11, I used to rob people.
You used to rob people?
Yeah.
When?
Why? Do you know why?
You were robbing people?
Yeah.
When did you start robbing people?
In grade 11.
In grade 11?
Yes.
When you were at school, grade 11, yeah.
Grade 11.
Why? Why would you do that?
This life that we're living in its edge is so bad.
It's too
Because
bad. You wanted money.
Yes, we wanted money.
For what?
Everyone-
Because you got your parents, you're staying with your parents.
Yes,
You wanted money for what?
Yes, we do living with the parents, but if one parent in the house be working, uzofila kanjani ukuthi mina sengikhulile nami akwazi ukufika nalutho ekhaya and futhi banakho ukubheka ukuthi wona ezinye ingane zenza ukuthi nokuthi wena what you doing about you and yasho ukuthi ma ngiyazama ukuthi ama viewers amangaka and futhi sengifaka ngisho ama viewers benginikeza still.
Okay, so let's talk about, we'll come back to drugs. Let's talk about robbing, right? You wanted amateki, amalebu, because when umzali wako ukade kusebenza umzali oyi-1 omunye angasebenzi, and at school une peer pressure, you are seeing other kids wearing this nice stuff and things like that. So uzoba uba roba kanjani? Uroba kanjani ngezandla or usebenzisa umesi or usebenzisa isibhamu?
When we robbed them,
it's
like
pickpocket.
Pickpocketing. Okay, you were stealing.
Yeah, we were stealing.
You were where were you stealing at school?
Yes.
School like parks, film parks. I would think like park where students.
But you have stopped now.
Yeah, we have stopped. We've thrown now. Like.
Or you were doing it because you were young. Now understand ndaba ngamatheki lawa durayo and whatnot. So there's hope musi ukuthi if niyekelile ukuroba abantu kuthi ukuthi there's still hope for you guys to live even these drugs and whatnot. Next year going to college?
Yes.
Wow, that's great news. I wish one day, I'm going to take your phone numbers and you tell me, you know what, my sister, I've left, those drugs. I'm now studying full time. What are you going to study?
Oh, I want to do the engineering.
Huh?
I want to do engineering.
You want to do engineering? So have you already applied?
Yeah.
Where?
In Elangeni College.
And you got accepted already?
No, they didn't even call me because I lost my phone.
Okay. So what are you going to do now because you lost your phone? You need to go to college.
Yes, we have to.
So what are you going to do now? Have you made a follow-up?
I like the eloquence of this boy.
Nah.
Now your friend is going to college next year and you? When?
Me, like my plan, I got a soldier, like my uncle is a soldier, so because I finished school, like I did my matric, I'm just gonna fill forms. I won't just be in social. When I get inside, I'm just gonna learn while I'm getting paid.
But you guys, how can I help you guys? Okay, can I please have all of you? Can I please have all of you? Don't worry about me, guys. Abangani bami la, abafana bami la. Siyagroova sonke la location la eKasi. Can you please just tell me one thing, guys? How can I help you to stop, from smoking these things? How can I help you? Like really, I do want to help you, but how can I do that?
Like me now, my side. I don't need help. That's what I want to stop drugs. I really don't need help because I know myself. I know that's when I smoke drugs. There's nothing affects me. I know there's like I'm gonna make it with drugs.
But look, as an older sister, I so wish, like as your parent, like I think like your mom right now, if she knows that you're taking drugs, she's so wishing that you guys can stop taking these things and go to school as per your wish. Right? Okay, as per your wish. How can I help you? Because we are all blacks, we're all human beings. How can I help you?
Like for now, like if you wanna help us, you can get us a part-time job, like because like when we here it's just like all day, like what we do drugs and that.
Okay, if we get it, if we manage to get you, if I manage to get you a job, like a part-time something, right? Are you not going to steal? Because he told me about stealing that you were doing earlier on.
Oh no, it was grade 11. It was 2018, done. 2018.
Because I'm opening a company here.
Oh.
Yes, I'm opening a company here. That's why I am here. I'm here for business. I'm opening a company, and I wouldn't mind to have two of you guys, like helping, learning whatever is going to be done there. And then, but you must stop smoking first. That would be my condition between me and you guys. That would be my condition between me and you.
I can stop.
You go to rehab.
Yeah.
Are you willing to go to rehab?
He don't need a rehab. Like I know this is my boyfriend. He don't need a rehab.
But he is saying he needs a rehab. You can't talk on behalf of him.
He don't need a rehab. Like I'm really serious about what I'm saying right now. He's just saying because there's a camera in front of him. He don't need a rehab.
Tell me the truth. I need a rehab so I can stop this shit.
Thank you. He's saying he needs to go to rehab so that he can leave this shit. He's actually calling it shit because it's shit. Huh? It's what?
I don't want to stop smoking.
You don't want to stop smoking?
I don't want to stop.
Why?
I love weed.
It's like we meditate when
it's nothing much that's dangerous or something.
Don't smoke weed on the camera.
Don't smoke weed on the camera.
No, they mustn't smoke weed.
I don't encourage the youth, to the younger ones, like.
So can I find you help so that you go to rehab? When I don't talk on behalf of him.
Okay.
Can I talk to him alone? Can I find you help so that because I'm gonna be commercial most times, doing my business here. Hence you have seen me from yesterday. I was here. Today I'm here again. I'm here to do my business, right? And I'm gonna be, maybe one day I'll need security, and you're gonna be my security as long as you're because I'll shoot you guys if you like Dubula.
Yo. Any people tell me.
Yeah.
Like, yo, X, do you have a job? No, I have a job. Yes, I do have a job. I'm telling you, I can change my life.
I only know that.
Okay, Aninchele, ninawa mantombi. A lot.
I got a lot.
Umuhle kanje. And intombi yakho vele right comfortable vele with you smoke like.
She found me smoking. She can't tell me to quit smoking.
Oh yeah.
I was like this when she met me. So she can't change that. That's when I give her she can live her life. If she wanna change me, she can back off.
She can go back off. You're going to change it at your own time. Now I think right now I really need to focus on this one because he has already told me to say if I can go to rehab, I'll leave, and if I can get these two, they said if we can get peace jobs, right? Maybe we can obviously I can't start by saying right now they'll leave completely, but it's a gradual process. Slowly they'll leave, right? And I said I am willing, to make deals with them.
We're always free.
We're always free.
Okay, you guys.
Really need this part-time job, hey, don't forget that.
But now I will be disappointed to say you get this part-time job and then the money that you are getting, you go and buy this drugs.
We have to feed a family.
Yeah,
We have to feed some family.
Mina from my side, I have a granny. She's by himself, so like I'm the only boy. So
Mama.
my granny.
Oh, your grandmother.
I do have my mom, but he living far, like in a village somewhere. So like it's hard for my granny. Like I'm the only one, so I'm the only guy that's old. So I gotta do something. That's why sometimes we rob some people. Like
we wanna help.
Not now.
Hey, that's a little bula Nina.
Yes, we can get shot. But before we leave, he knows. We used to pray. We used to pray.
And
God,
sacrifice, you gotta sacrifice for
what
our
we're
family.
doing, be on our side, because we know it's wrong, but we want to help our family.
Yeah, it's wrong. I like that party that it's wrong, but you are doing it because you want to help your families.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, you know what? I asked you for this because I saw you talking about the drugs and whatnot, and I called you and I ended up engaging with you guys. I'll try by all means to help you, especially the one who said I don't know if there's a rehab close by. Do we have a rehab close by? Are you going to be in when, because this rehab ayabhadala, but you're not an addict. You are not an addict from the way that I'm seeing.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't need a rehab. But he knows that I can go for drugs anytime.
If like, not just if like you do drugs, add it. If you want to stop drugs, you can tell yourself, no, like I don't want to do drugs.
Is there a time whereby you have told yourself that I want to stop for this week only, and you have spent a week without even touching?
We have spent months.
And so what will make you go back again to them?
Because sometimes my anger, I can't control my anger. I used to get furious. And a lot of people in this world that we're living in this city, they used to talk like, hey, you're a bitch now, nigga, fit all science, man, just smoking out so kind. Like you feel again, this song on joy, but I mean, it's up man, now you can say,
so kuthi kuthi lawa ama drugs vele aqhalela esikolweni ne? Esikolweni kuyabhemiwa ne? Serious? And ama teacher ayawazi vele ukuthi kuyabhema?
Yeah,
and they try by all means ukuthi ingane beyivimba ukuthi zibheme. But not most of the schools.
KwaMashu only. No, I think most schools.
Even
all of them. All of them.
Nanda, like the ink. I'm talking about ink. Nanda in Tuzuma in KwaMashu.
Bayabhema. Amathole esikole. And ama teachers awazi vele ukuthi kuyabhemwa, but they can't do shit.
Like
they did try something, like they do something like a lot. They do changes, but still the same.
So do you have a community? You have a community hall here. Is there anybody who's coming to do this kind of programs whereby to talk about drug abuse and the dangers of drugs and things like that?
In our school in Mzuvene, like I think it was 2017 or 16. So some gang, it used to be criminals, and they come like telling us about this thing, how prison bad it is, how we must not do this stuff.
Yeah.
That's time I remember, that time, but in community hall they didn't do that shit. I don't remember.
But here they don't. Because they say it's too dangerous.
Yeah, they say it's dangerous.
But is it dangerous? I've been here yesterday. I've been here today. Ngila. It's no big deal. It's nothing. It's not big deal.
No, not the way.
For now.
No.
So is it a threat?
No, I'm not. I'm not threatening you. But later on, you gonna know what's happening.
Really?
It's happening in meantime. People can get grabbed in here.
People
No one can do shit about it.
Yeah, I know. That I know. I came prepared. I came knowing. That's what happens here. I just came prepared knowing it's what happens here.
Work here.
and it's not
You
just
can
like,
face a gun while it's in you know that you might not shoot me.
And it's a nigga that shoot me right now, nigga, shoot me.
They can take any. Even
But
rob,
Isolo, I was at this club there down there, London. London.
get robbed there.
But so many celebs are always there, right? So if it's dangerous the way you're portraying it, how come most of the celebs in KZN are always there?
because like you know they got security. If these guys are my security, who will touch me? You
No
see?
one then
But
touch that
if
nigga.
like there is an event there, I come with my friends like, and then so I'm banging now in the end. There's two like guys who gonna like see that they drunk or something. Let me try something and then pull up a gun and take our stuff. Like
If you're in the limit, if you can investigate more about Kwamashu.
I know, I've did my investigation. But I've done it well. But I'm here to do business, eh?
That's some few things they haven't known.
Like what? Tell me now.
These new drugs.
Oh,
These new drugs.
There are no drugs.
Yeah.
There are no drugs.
New.
There is new drugs.
Yeah.
No, you know what? When I came here, my focus was not on that. So I didn't investigate, based on the drugs or whatnot. I came here for business. So I was actually researching on the business that I wanted to hear, Kwamashu, not the drugs. Because I am against the drugs. That's why I said, you guys, me, I want to be your elder sister, but I'm not happy with you smoking. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
but you
We
can
can
change
smoke.
that.
I can stop.
It doesn't mean that you're going to
And,
steal. I don't steal. I smoke.
and so many people here now are now talking about him. With this guy with an orange head, he's quite a nice guy. I feel for him. Some other guys who are abroad. Yeah, I wish if I was in Africa, I was going to take that guy, help him. You took the trophy, guy. You took the trophy, my man. You took the trophy. Really, you took the trophy. And then others are saying, oh, now you are somebody saying you are handsome. You can actually qualify to be her husband.
I would like to be on.
But then she will tell you have to stop smoking this weed.
Oh, okay, I can stop smoking weed. I can take only cigarette.
Yeah,
Because I'm not forced
cigarette
to
are not
weed.
drugs, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm not forced to take weed. It doesn't mean that if I haven't smoked, I'm going to have to steal something or no. I can stay with your brother a whole day without even smoking.
All right. Okay. No, I'm so happy, guys. Let's now talk off camera. Without the camera, let me just talk to these people on camera, and then you can just hang around, and then we'll come and finish our deal, right? And then when ukhona na utakiwe na upemile already. Huh?
No.
Awupemanga today.
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
But umele uyekele bona ukuthi iyaqeda nemzimba musi. Iyaqeda nemzimba le into leyo.
Sisiwe boyingane encane. Nasemphakathini nje umphakathi ukuthatha kancane masowantswa.
Amen. Thank you. And emakuntshontshwe even la uyazi baqala ngawe bathi uwe even if it's not you baqala ukuthi nguye lo because bayafana labantu abancane bahlala babhema bayenzani bahlala bayenza lezi zinto kanti wena ukhade usendlini ulele awazi lutho. I hope you are going to stop all this one day. All right. Okay guys. Okay guys, nachimbotsana nevafana kuno chimbonzwawo mumboonawo kuti pai panotaurwa nyaya dzekunzi madrugs kuvana zvinenge zvakamira sei guys. I'm not a vari kuda kundiudzira kuti the interviewers like Mukunta Manyarara, the interviewer skills and whatnot. Sorry, Sha, I'm not a skilled somebody. I'm just somebody with a passion to help people, Sha. So don't ever think kuti ukaona ndichita chinhu oti vakadzidzira kana kuya ndichoridofa ndatomboenda kana form 4 ibaba uchona ndakalezo ndatogumira form 4 ndikangonyera form 4 ndikatofoira. Saka nditomborina kana ma skills and nditomborita ma skills, but I've got a passion and a zeal inside of me. Anditika ndingorine passion inside of me yekubatsira vanhu. Anditika ndinotongorine passion yekubatsira pandinoona kuti tiri kurasika. Andika tiri kurasika. So Gloria nokutenda Mavunga and Mukunda Manyarara, you can say all what you want pano. Azvinditadzisi and it will not stop me from help. And ina ma skills and I don't even need skills right now kuti never come now zvandatoita, and to raise awareness to other parents who are here per life kuti vaone kuti this is what happens to kids. And vakawanda vanhu maZimbabweans now are living ari muno South Africans muno, anditika South Africa muno maZimbabweans vana vavo vanodza muzvikoro zvemuno South Africa, vane vana vavo muno South Africa muno, anditi kuzvikoro mazvinzwira uchinzi zvikoro ndokwa zvinotangira. Andika now they know because of this life kuti kuchikoro kwavo kunenge kuchitoitwa madrugs kwevana. They need to be very careful, they need to see kuti zvinofamba sei. Anditimaona so ukanditaurira zvemaskills ako utotaura zvinhu zvekutopenga because I don't need a skill. Indikatoona pane nditori nemukana wekuti educate 1 or 2 people vakwanise kuona kuti these are the vabereki vazhinji are too reluctant, and ukatoudzwa right now kuti mwana wako ari kuita drug unogona kumurambira because kumba anodzoka aine humwe hunhu waunenge kuchikoro anenge aine humwe hunhu, anenge ane 2 lives dzaunenge usingazivi. Saka through this andika through zvatinenge tingoita izvozvo zvokuti kaonawo apo we raise awareness as parents. Andika we raise awareness. It's not about skills, guys. I'm not a journalist, you mind you. I'm not a journalist. Tine vana mwanga vatori panapa palive vakatarisa vatodzidza nekutoona kuti izvozvi so drug riri kuitei. Vakomana ava vakatanga drugs sekuseka under peer pressure. Anditika nekuda mateka anodhura vakasvika pakurobha vanhu vakadii, but vakatozviona. And as I said, right, aiwa, you don't even have to advise me per live, Gloria. If you want to advise me ndichibatsira munhu ka, a person who loves you do not come and advise you achitangwe ari kuthrow a shade on the life. You come to my inbox, see next time kana kuti muningina next time when uchisvika panzvimbo dzakati I am somebody who's open to advices and who's open to kutsiura. Ndogara nditsiura ndinitori team rinonitsura zvakawandisa stereki panapa, but they come to my WhatsApp, muningina kana wakuenda kunzvimbo dzakadai so famba so kana kuti wakutaura taura uchidai so avoid zvinhu zvakadai, avoid kunyanya kuinteracta. Ndo zvinoita munhu ane rudo. Antika ukauya uchitangori kuthrow a shade kunge iwewo ndounoziva, then iwewo chibatsira kwauri kwako inini let me do what I do. And as I said, guys, you didn't know kuti ndiri kuno ndiri kuitei. I'm now telling you guys ndakatozvifambirawo zvangu kunoka for business wise actually. Anditika and really guys, it's a promise. Ndichazokutaridzai vakomana 2 vaya. I'm willing to give them a chance kuti vave ma-assistants mucompany yatiri kuvhura kunoko. Anditika ini no ngiyaqeda nje ngiyesa ngiyaqeda animaona. So I'm just willing nditowila kuvapawo chance kuti whatever the zvandakatofambira kuno kuzvachionawo anditika vakwanise kumbopinda we give them a chance timboona kuti vapinda. My condition yangu inini ndeyekuti vasiye anditika sezvatawirirana kuti chisiyai andika chisiyai. Andimaona kana mchida kushanda tokupai peace job dzacho idzodzo moshanda mosiya. Andi vakati vanoda kushanda, so we give them a try toona kuti zveshuwa vanogona here kana kuti havakwanisi. And then we can start from there. And it so guys, yeah, kunoku vanga chiti Smeli chiti aiwa ndine team rimwe randiri kufamba naro randinaro kuno ndine team rimwe randinotosangana handikuziye nasingakuziye kunoku ndakatouya ne team iroro because zvatikuda kuita kunoku yesterday ndiri paMashu Kingdom Church pano active uzalapo, you know, ndikatobva ndikaenda pamaceleb apo titori nawo maceleb akatiwanda ndandinawo antimashona. So just that kuti pava chingori busy kakadhiri kati kutongoita zvinhu zvatotongozama kuita kuti zviraramisewo andimaona. But ukaona mukana usasiye umwe mwana chitambura, usasiye mwana because muSouth African kana kuti muMalawi kana kuti muchi mwana whether wakamuzvara kana tona kumuzvara mwana ndewedu tese. Anditika uri mubereki ukaona mwana chirasika and you have that chance kutaura naye usamhanya kufunga kuti mwana uyu asiwo kuZimbabwe saka ntauri naye. Zvinoitwa nevana vava kuno ndo zvinoitwa nevana kuZimbabwe nenyaya dzetechnologies. Vana bereki vakawanda vari muSouth Africa muno vana vava going to schools here in South Africa, so most probably ndiko kalife kwanenge vachitorarama ikaka zvokutoti kumba vanenge vasingatozivi kuti mwana ndo zvaanenge achitorarama. Saka changu inini kuraise awareness ndino raise awareness chete. That is awareness vabereki. Now it's up to you. Let's help together, let's work together. Tibatsirane kumba kwenyu nevana musikana mukomana handitika ita uchicheka school bag remwana, ita uchicheka activity inonzi active yemwana, activeness yemwana kumba handitika kuti mwana ari active zvakaita sei. Pane umwe active kuti unyasoona kuti pane something chaashuta kana kuti pane chimwe chinhu zvaaita handitika unokwanisa kungozviona handiti. So please vabereki, itai muchitarisa vana kudzimba uku pavanenge vachibva kuzvikoro paya kana kuti vaine mafriends avo. Muri kuona peer pressure dzevana, peer pressure. Unotongoti mwana nhasi adye iko, amwe iko, idragon energy drink here, izvo hapana energy drink. Handi muri kuona mwana anenge atosangana neasvuta zvinhu izvi usingazivi. Saka ukakurumidza kuzviona, you can actually help your parent, your child, before asati apinda zviri deeper mukati mezvinhu izvi, because the moment vangopinda mazviri chete muri kunzwa kuti zvine robbing mukati, zvine zvinhu zvakawanda papi. Anditi maona Daisy kana uchida kuzondiona like nchibva panapa, now I'm going ndikuenda unonzi kwanzi pavilion, ameno inonzi pavilion mall kuti iri papi, but from there I'll be back to the hotel where I'm staying anyway. And so from here to pavilion anzi pavilion mall or something like that. Then from there ndakudzokera. So you can call me WhatsApp kwangu kwa Daisy, and then you ndokudza pa ndokupa location kana kuti yepa ndikana ndave koko, then wo uya zvakotombo ditombogara pasi tongo no zvedu zvikapu zvecoffee zvakachipa izvi ani maona. So yeah guys, mazvionera regai nimbotaura nevakomana because ndavamisa kuti vasaenda. Let me talk to them, let me talk nezvatiri kuita, because zvadada tofambira kuno it's up and running actually. Totanga izvozvi, so we want to totanga 2021 nebank, totanga izvozvi. So regai ndite kuti ndandichazotaura hangu panapa kuti kana paine vanoda basa too, but let me just give these guys a chance timboona kuti vanogona kusiya here, because mwoyo wangu unotorwadzawo futi seeing these young boys vachirasa upenyu hwavo just like that because of zvinhu zvisina nebasa rese, mapiritsi wayanenge vachitenga vachiti vari kumwa nenhikirikiri anomaona. So yeah, munhu wese inini I was given a chance muno muSouth Africa, takapiwawo chance tipinda muSouth Africa nevanhu vangu vasingatizivi, and look at me now. This can only be God. Vazhinji venyu makaenda kuna diaspora UK, mukaenda na America, makaenda kupi, you were given chances nemacompanies anga asingakuzivi nevanhu vasingakuzivi, vakakugamuchirai vakakupaiwo machances ekuti tangiraiwo apa, and then mukatangirawo ipapo handitika. Saka munhu wese tichimwenda takadaro zvinongotibatsira paupenyu hwedu sevanhu titaridza nerudo. So guys, yeah, thank you very much. I hadn't planned for this life to happen, but pandaona vana ava vachiuya vachitaura vakamira paside pangu kuti varikuda kuenda notenga madrugs, vachiunganidza masenda vangana vanawo kuti vada notenga madrugs. ndabva ndangotaura navo kuti haniziro guys, ndakakuonai handika takataura tikaseka, but I didn't know. Nhasi mukutaura nyaya dzenhingirikiri. Can you please advise vamwe vafana vechidiki mutiudze kuti zvinofamba sei? Ani maona mugotiudza kuti makazvitangawo sei, so that vamwe vana vadzidze nevabereki vadzidze kuti zvinhu zvakadai so zvinodi zviri kuitika kuvana, vatarise vana vavo, and they agreed. Ndosaka ndazongouya, otherwise I was not supposed to be here guys. I was not even supposed to be here. And okay, unfortunately memory paringoda machinda, hapasi kuda vasikana, parikuda vakomana, parikuda machinda ndo arikuda, paringoda machinda chete. So guys, moswera zvakanaka, moswera munyasha, musakanganwe kuti mwana hasiwe munhu wani. Nditori payadhi pandiri pemumwe munhu atafambirawo watinayewo panapa vangu vachitaura paseri apo tikakukumbirawo kuzopinda ipapo, saka tiite zvada tichiita. Saka yeah guys, ndokubatai paleta, moswera bo, handitika bless you and love you.